So I don't know if you can see in the background there's some sort of old cap or well, and there was one further down. So these are often areas underneath a landfill site that they use to draw off the methane that builds up underground. It's over there. So I think this is what this site was at one time. Yeah, I can see further ones further down here as well. It's open to the public, so it mustn't be dangerous. Fantastic resource for locals and obviously for wildlife as well. Yeah, there's a cap just there, I can see, and you're looking on down, right down into the city. Stadium down there, and then that's Sheffield Wednesday football ground. And that there is the dog track, the racing greyhound track, where our Vinny, we've seen our black and white Vinny, used to race there apparently, long before he retired. So that's an area I've never seen before. That's up the moorlands.